Thanks. Did you like it? It's like a jammer on the record, though. The record's been recorded, it's been mixed, it's been mastered.
When's it come out?
That's for you to find out, and me also to find out. I think it's like the first song is probably going to come out like in a couple months, which is great. We start like rolling it out then, and there'll be like a couple more songs like that'll be released, and then we'll release it probably like the top of next year, like the full album and the tour and all that. I think the tour is going to be announced in the same time that the first song is released. So, you know what? I'm really fucking excited about it. I hope you guys like it.
Yes.
Oh hell yeah! I know what I'm gonna do now. Shit yes. How are we doing in the back there over at the tabletop? You guys good? We got a one. Are you guys together or not? If you're together, you're fighting, I'm guessing. Are you are together? No? Oh, you are. You just want to sit like super far away from each other. Oh, I know you. Yeah, you're definitely not with him. Not anything against you, just because it's my girlfriend. So if you were, like, I'd be like, this what? Like, this is so random, and you just like wanted to tell me this way. I'm gonna cheat on you in front of you at your show. To be honest, like that'd be a baller move. Shitty, but fine, I guess. All right, what was I doing? Okay.